Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 effective ways to back up your Gmail account in 2025. Keeping a backup of your emails is extremely important, not just to protect against data loss, but also to make sure you always have access to your most important messages when you need them. So let's get right into it. The first method is using Google Takeout. This is Google's official tool that lets you download data from many of its services, including Gmail. To start, head over to the Google Takeout page. By default, all Google services will be selected, but since we only want Gmail, first deselect everything. Then scroll down and select just Gmail. This way, you're focusing only on your email data. Once that's done, click on Next Step. Here, you can choose the file type, the archive size, and how you want to receive your backup, for example, by email link or directly to Google Drive. When you're ready, click Create Export. Depending on the size of your mailbox, it might take some time. Once the export is complete, you'll receive an email with a download link. Be sure to save this archive in a secure location, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage. The second method is to export emails as PDF files. This is a more manual method, but it's very handy if you want to back up specific emails or folders. Simply open the email you want to save, click the 3-dot menu in the top right, and choose Print. From there, change the printer to Save as PDF. Now you can store that PDF on your computer or backup drive. This method is especially useful if you only want to keep a permanent copy of important conversations, receipts, or client emails. And that's it. 3 simple but powerful methods to keep your Gmail safe. Google Takeout for full archives and PDF exports for important individual messages. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical Gmail and tech tutorials. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.